In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make iPhone screen never turn off. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we need to do is open the Settings app. So I'll just tap on Settings to bring up the main settings screen where all the system options are located. Once you're inside settings, the first thing we want to check is the battery settings. So I'm going to scroll down a bit through the list until I find battery, and there it is. Go ahead and tap on battery. Now inside the battery settings, we want to make sure that low power mode is turned off. If low power mode is enabled, it can limit certain features on your iPhone, including how the screen auto lock behaves. So just look for the low power mode toggle here. If it's currently turned on, go ahead and tap it to turn it off. Once that's done, we can go back to the main settings screen, so I'll just go back here. Now from here, we're going to scroll down again until we find the option called display and brightness. So I'm just moving down the list, and once you see display and brightness, go ahead and tap on it. Alright, now we're inside the display and brightness settings. This is where you control things like screen brightness, appearance, and display behavior. What we're looking for here is the option called auto lock. So I'm just looking through the options on this page, and there it is. Go ahead and tap on auto lock to open the available choices. Now once you're inside the auto lock menu, you'll see a list of different time options for when the screen should automatically turn off if the phone isn't being used. These usually range from short times like 30 seconds or a minute, all the way up to longer options. If you want your iPhone screen to stay on and never turn off automatically, what you need to do is choose the option called Never. So I'll go ahead and tap on Never from the list. As soon as you select Never, the setting will apply immediately. This means your iPhone screen will stay on continuously instead of automatically locking after a certain amount of time. Once that's set, you can simply exit the settings whenever you're done. And that's pretty much it. You open settings, make sure low power mode is turned off in the battery section, then go into display and brightness, open auto lock, and select Never from the list. So that's how you make your iPhone screen never turn off.